Hi, I have seen all your videos. A little bit mistake is there, but mostly it's okay. No problem. I have thought that after the total dance is done, maybe once in a month we can meet up somewhere, maybe on in the common room, and maintaining the social distancing. We can just see what problems are there. I can just clear the steps. This can be done at the best, and hopefully next month or maybe by August everything will come to normal. Then we'll go for regular classes. Okay, now let us continue with the song Ganga Ganga. Let us do the next lines. Okay, so let me teach you the next new steps. The line is ভাটায় ভাটায় আর জোয়ারে জোয়ারে মোর প্রাণ সখা যায় তোমারে দুয়ারে. Okay, let's start. Okay, let me remind you that just before this line you have just put your chamor back to the chair. Now then this line starts bhatai bhatai ogo joare joare. Again the line, it's a straight line. Again you have gone totally at the back of the stage. Now you have to come in the front of the stage, because for keeping the chamor you had to go to the back of the stage. So again you will come forward, middle Sumita auntie, right side is Yashoda auntie, and left side is Nanda auntie. Okay, so I'll show you how will you come in front of the come forwards in the main center stage. I'm keeping the chamor here. I have kept the chamor now. See, from that to in front of the door I have come so far. How I have come, I'll show you the legs. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Show you the leg. Let me show you the legs first. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So I'll show you once again. This is my right leg. So right leg I am doing heel 1, tapping the left leg. Again my right leg I'm putting backward on the toe, and I'm tapping the left leg. Once more I'm showing 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, once more I'll show 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. What I am doing? Heel flat, toe flat, heel flat, toe flat. It's like a rhythm. It's like a music. Say after me, heel flat, toe flat. I'm starting with my right leg. So heel flat, toe flat, heel flat, toe flat. Like this I can come forward. Heel flat, toe flat, heel flat, toe flat. Okay, just try 2 times I'll do. Okay, now I'll show you once again the total full body video. What I'm doing is tapping my right leg, lifting my left leg, tapping my left leg, lifting my right leg. More prano সখা যায় তোমারে দুয়ারে, মোর প্রাণ সখা যায় তোমারে দুয়ারে, মোর প্রাণ সখা যায় তোমারে দুয়ারে. Okay, the hands are like this and like this, like this and like this. মোর প্রাণ সখা যায় তোমারে দুয়ারে. Okay, all of you on a straight line. Now let me show with the music. Okay, so the music, what I'm doing, once more I'll show. 1, 2, 3. ভাটায় ভাটায় জোয়ারে জোয়ারে মোর প্রাণ সখা যায়. First is right side, then left side. Tumare duare. What we'll do, Sumita auntie is in the middle. She'll music 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, just your hands. It's a Manipuri style. Nothing. It's 1, 2. Just 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sumita auntie, you will do like this with both hands. I'll show you the legs. It's a Manipuri style. All of you will do the legs like this. You have done this. Again, I'm showing you. 1, 2. Just first is right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so simple. Just you have to sit a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, just once more I'm showing you. 1, 2, 3, 4. You just have to tap your toes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and this is a Manipuri style, so the hands you have to see it. Just I'll show you now. Sumita auntie, your both hands will go like this. 1, 2, just like covering yourself, with the dupatta. 1, 2, 3, 4. A lachak is there. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is Sumita auntie in the middle. Yeah, and Yashoda auntie, who is in the right, you will just put your hands behind Sumita auntie's hip, waist, and you will do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like opening a book, opening the pages of a book. Like legs are same. Right leg toe, left leg toe, right leg toe, left leg toe. Okay, just opening a book. And Nanda auntie, your right hand is on Sumita auntie's waist, and with your left hand you will do your legs. Your legs will be different. Your first will go left leg toe, right leg toe, left leg toe, right leg toe. I'm saying for Nanda auntie, your first left leg will go left leg toe, right leg toe, left leg toe, right leg toe. For Yashoda auntie, your right leg will first go right leg toe, left leg toe, right leg toe, left leg toe. For Sumita auntie, your also first right will go right leg toe, left leg toe, right leg toe, left leg toe. Okay, got it? Okay, so I'll show with the music now. Well, the music for Nanda auntie is a bit different. The legs, I'll show you. First I'll show Shumita auntie and Yashoda auntie. Your is more from this is same for all of you. More prano shokha jai tumare duare. Your right leg is up. Okay, now Sumita auntie and Nanda and Yashoda auntie, you will do this. 1, right leg on your toe, then 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm just showing the legs. First was more prano shokha jai tomare duare. Okay, Sunita aunty, just see, this is for you. Your right leg is up. Now you place your right leg in front, two, okay, and your hands, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now Yashoda aunty, please see. ভাসতা ঢাকার জোয়ারে জোয়ারে মোর প্রাণ সখা যায় তোমারে দুয়ারে. Yashoda aunty, please see, your right leg is up. Now you are doing your right leg on your toe, your left leg on your toe, your right leg on your toe, and your left leg on your toe. Now Nanda aunty, please see. First is ভাটায় ভাটায় ওগো জোয়ারে জোয়ারে মোর প্রাণ সখা যায় তোমারে দুয়ারে. Your right leg is up, but you have to do your left leg. So what you will do, just put your right leg down, and from left leg you will start. Your left leg on your toe, right leg on your toe, your left leg on your toe, right leg on your toe. I'll show you once more. Nanda aunty, please see. Okay. ভাটায় ভাটায় ওগো জোয়ারে জোয়ারে মোর প্রাণ সখা যায় তোমারে দুয়ারে. Your right leg is up, but you have to just put down your right leg and music. 1, left leg on your toe, then right leg on your toe, then left leg on your toe, then right leg on your toe. And others, Yashoda aunty and Sumita aunty, মোর প্রাণ সখা যায় তোমারে দুয়ারে. All of your right leg is up, and Yashoda aunty and Sumita aunty, what you will do, music, right leg first. You put your right leg on your toe because it's up, you just put in front. Right leg on your toe, left leg on your toe, right leg on your toe, left leg on your toe. Is it okay? Is it okay? If there is still a problem, please let me know. Again, after the music, the line comes, bhatai bhatai ogo juare juare mor prano shokha jay tomare duare. Then again a music, then ganga rakhiyo jotone buke niya. I'll show you just 2 lines. Okay, it is the same. Okay, 1, 2, bhatai bhatai juare juare mor prano shokha jay tomare duare. Your right leg was at the up, just put it down and turn at the back. Okay, I'll show you once. Bhatai bhatai juare juare mor prano shokha, left leg up, tomare duare, right leg up, and ta 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 ta, putting the right leg down and turning back. Okay, then the line will come. Ganga rakhiyo jotone bukhe niya mago dhulayo ashono dheu dia he he. Okay, let me show you. It's very simple. So all of you are standing on a straight line with your backwards towards the audience. Facing the audience with the music, you just face the audience. Now Ganga rakhiyo jotone buke niya. Your hands will be like this. Ganga rakhiyo jotone buke niya mago dhulayo ashoro dheu dia. What will you do? You all are standing in a straight line with your back towards the audience. Nanda aunty, you are going to lead. Just make a round. I'll show you. Just follow me. Think that I'm Nanda aunty. Okay. I'm Nanda aunty. Okay. This side is Sumita aunty and that side is Yashoda aunty. That means the total line changed, the place changed for Nanda aunty and Sumita aunty. In Nanda auntie's place Sumita aunty came, in Sumita auntie's place Nanda aunty came. Okay, once more I'll show you with the music. If you did not understand this line, please let me know. Well, that Ganga Rakhyo Jatane Bukeniya, in which Nanda auntie is leading, it will be a little circle, it will be a total circle, so that you cover the two lines. Ganga Rakhyo Jatane Bukeniya, Mago Dhurayo Ashoro Deo Diya. In Diya, you have to come in front and make a straight line facing the audience. So I'll just once more I'll do the song for Yashoda auntie and Nanda auntie. I think I'll do it for Nanda auntie because Yashoda auntie this step is same like Sumita auntie. Nanda auntie a little bit is different, so I'll do it for you. Just see. I want to tell you the last thing, the step in which there is a confusion. You have to do it 5 times, like this is the last. Then you can do 1. Then you have to tap your left leg 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 means your right leg in the front, your left leg at the back. Then you tap your right leg and throw off your left leg. Once I also done a mistake. I had done 4 times. That's why my leg was different. But if you do 5 times, then you have to, then this step will be, you will tap your right leg and throw off your left leg. Okay. Just try and tell me if there's a problem. Okay. Bye.